A new tale is making the rounds on the internet, claiming that Tesla is planning to build a lithium refining plant in Texas. Tesla is seeking relief from the municipal property taxes in an application filed with the Texas Comptroller's office. The manufacturer describes a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility to be built on Texas's Gulf Coast. If the project is authorized, Tesla claims the building could begin as early as the fourth quarter of 2022, with commercial production beginning by the end of 2024. However, there are several concerns with this decision. To understand that, let's dive into it. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Tesla has been considering entering the lithium mining and refining industry for quite some time. It seeks to assure the supply of a critical component used in batteries as demand for electric vehicles rises. However, this is not the first time they are trying to do it. As a startup, they put $325 million for this. They attempted and failed in 2014. Tesla planned to introduce a new technique to extract and purify lithium into a battery-grade material at their Battery Day event in 2020. However, Tesla has yet to act on this claim or a new lithium mining technology announced at the same event 2 years later. The proposed battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility, which Tesla claims will be the first of its type in North America, will convert raw ore material into usable material for battery manufacture. Musk has also indicated that new players in the lithium refining industry are required. Securing a constant supply of battery components is critical for Tesla as it competes with a quickly growing electric car industry. According to the plan, Tesla will ship the finished product from the refinery to multiple Tesla battery manufacturing locations by truck and rail. This will help the supply chain for large-scale batteries and electric vehicle batteries. However, according to Keith Phillips, there isn't enough lithium to meet U.S. demands by 2030 or 2035. Piedmont Lithium's CEO is him. This year, the rising demand for lithium has nearly doubled the price of lithium carbonate. The IEA also predicts the demand will increase 40 times over the next 20 years, with the majority of supply coming from outside the United States. The price of lithium has risen by more than 400%. Lithium prices have soared this year due to increased demand from the auto market. China is the world's largest lithium processor, despite several rival projects in the United States and the European Union. The world has changed, and now everyone wants an electric vehicle. The CEO discussed lithium, the Inflation Reduction Act, how Tesla pioneered the EV revolution, and how automakers can't make EVs fast enough. People are now seeking lithium to power batteries in electric vehicles. However, because of the scarcity of lithium, companies are unable to produce EVs at the rate required, at least until 2035. Elon Musk has made a few remarks about lithium. According to him, Tesla doesn't want to get into the mining or refining industry because, to him, it's a license to print money. Battery manufacturers are also trying to expand manufacturing in the United States, where the country's shift towards EVs may accelerate as harsher regulations and tax credit eligibility tighten. In response to the price hike, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that the company may enter the lithium market. Earlier this year, Tesla secured a 5-year supply agreement with Australia's Liontown Resources, while rival EV makers Stellantis and BYD invested in miners around the world. If Tesla's plan is implemented, the company will be the first in the industry to invest directly in lithium refining, as automakers scurry to strike deals with miners and refiners. The potential Texas refinery will most likely not be built exactly next to Giga Texas in Austin, because Tesla expects to receive lithium ore by ship before converting it into battery-grade lithium hydroxide. The intended location is Robestown near Corpus Christi on the Gulf Coast. In the future, the site may refine other materials as well. Furthermore, Tesla highlights innovative techniques that, when compared to conventional procedures, need fewer harmful ingredients on the one hand while producing more usable byproducts on the other. If Robestown is chosen, Tesla is prepared to invest $365 million this year. Many companies are entering or expanding into this market, including Lithium Americas, Standard Lithium, Livent, and others. However, as Musk pointed out, there is plenty of room for expansion. Tesla has previously signed a large number of contracts to secure a supply of lithium, but processing would be a significant step forward in the company's vertical integration. The world's largest battery manufacturer, CATL, has also invested in lithium mining companies. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.